is. It's on point. It is on point, period. So I had a top knot bun at first. This is what I started off with. But see, I like my hair to be really full. I have long, full hair, but sometimes I want it to be more full, or sometimes I just want like a donut bun or like a real fat top knot bun. But this time, this video is gonna show you how to get a full top knot bun. I use some Marley hair, some Marley curly hair. Tone if you want to get the look. You start out by taking anything at your hair, any extra accessories, as if like in rubber bands, bobby pins, anything that's holding your hair. Just take it out, because you're going to just need your hair like this. Just go have your hair like this. Okay, I wrap my scrunchie around here. It's self-explanatory, so yeah. I use it like this. I just wrap it around my little small, teeny tiny pigtail. Boom. Okay, make sure you like and subscribe. If you want more content, let me know. Just comment under and I promise you I'll give you more content.